Hi, I'm Angela and I'm a teacher at a middle school. I give GoGuardian a 5 out of 5. We were having a problem in our classrooms with all of the students having their own devices to learn in class. Because of this, students were being very sneaky and getting onto websites that they should not go on. Sometimes they would even cheat. GoGuardian is a way that we can control their screens in class so that we can monitor what websites that they're using. There are several things that I really like about GoGuardian. First, it is so easy to set up. We were able to use our Google Classroom to just import into our GoGuardian from our classes that were already set up. You can also set it up by having students put in a code, so there are several ways you can do that. I also like how if, for instance, we have only a certain amount of websites we want students to use in a day, we can set up those websites simply by putting in the URLs you want. In addition, students are kids and they're going to go to websites to play games or other things they shouldn't be going on in class, and you can block those sites. There are two things that I have found that I do not like about GoGuardian. First, students go to games that are actually able to be played in the search engine itself. I have not been able to find a way to block those unless I block the entire search engine. And I may have them searching for research that day, so that won't work. In addition, a few students have found a workaround to block GoGuardian, and we're having trouble figuring out how to undo that.